Okay, welcome back guys. This video we'll be talking of how to create our paperback. Now, once you're done with your Kindle ebook, you can see the book we wrote, Unspoken Vow, is now live. Amazon has already accepted it. They don't even waste time accepting my books as far as I'll follow all the procedures. Now, if you come here, you can see view in Amazon so that you can see how your book looks like. You can view your book in Amazon. You can see how it looks like. So this is, you can just click here, click on the book. Then you can see this is a picture we added while writing the book. So this is just how it looks like. But Amazon will not allow you to read. They will just allow you to read little. And for you to continue reading, you must have to pay for the book. So after this now, we are talking of paperback. Like I told us earlier, we have Kindle ebook, which is the mobile edition, and paperback, which is the normal paper book edition. Now, once you come here, what you will see is create paperback. You select on create paperback. I've already selected on it, so I will have to continue setup. So select on create paperback. Now it will take us to this interface where we can now create. By right, Amazon will have to fill all these things from you from your Kindle ebook. It will take all the details from there and fill it for you here. You can see it has already filled out this for us from the Kindle ebook. So your work now here is just to set up the manuscript. So you click save and continue, and you take us to the next one, which is the content. Okay, so if you come here now, Amazon will say get a free KDP ISBN number. So you have to click on assign me a free ISBN number because it's your first time creating the book. So you click on assign me ISBN number. So this is what it will give you. Once you click on that, they will say your book has been assigned a free KDP ISBN number. So this is the ISBN number. So now the second one is date of publication. You now select on it. You publish it today. It's optional. You can leave it. You can see it's optional. Now the print option. How do you want your book to look like? Is it black and white? Is it colored or premium? Anyone you want to select, you can go with it. So let's just go with the premium color interior. Okay. Now the trim size. All you have to do, leave all these things the way it will be. Amazon has set it, that is the way it should be. Now, the manuscript. This is where we upload our manuscript, something like this. If you check from the beginning, we derived our book from ChatGPT, then transferred it to Google Docs where we edited it. Now, Amazon is still asking for this again so that it will be in the paper. It will be printed. Now, this is what they say you should do. In the paperback is somehow different from the Kindle edition. So there is a way you should organize your paperback so that it will look real, like more of a book you bought in the market. So that is why they said here you should download a KDP template. Template is just like a guide for you on how to edit your book, on how to get your manuscript in a way that is accepted by Amazon. Then once you click on that download template, then you come to choose a template. Then you come down here, you see download template with sample content. What this means is that they are giving you a template with sample. So they have already written something there like a sample on to guide you on how to get your manuscript done. So all you need to do is to click on the download. So it's downloading. We can see the manuscript here. So even though you're using phone anywhere, it will go to where you download your files, so it will be there. So it's still downloading. Once it's downloading, this thing will clear. So you just give it some little time. Then where are we editing this thing, this our manuscript now? Before we edited in Google Docs, but we are no more editing in Google Docs. We are editing in Microsoft Word. So now you need to get a Microsoft Word app. You're using phone or laptop, you get your Microsoft. So once it's done downloading, then you go ahead to the files where it has downloaded. So it's still downloading. Once it's downloaded, it will not show this sign. So you just give it some times. So like I said, you should get your Microsoft Word ready. That is what you'll be using to edit the book. So let's give it some time. Okay, it's done downloading. Now, this is what you will do. Once you click on it, once you click on it, it's done now. Then just double tap it. Then it will take you to your file. Then it will open the file you have downloaded. This is what the file looks like. Then you select on the manuscript template. Then you select on English because we are writing in English. Then once you come here, you look for 6 times 9n. So this is 6 times 9n. 6 times 9n. Note it. If you come back to Amazon, if you come back here, this is what we call the 6 times 9n. That is what they say you should use. So you come back to your file, you select on 6 times 9n. Then once you select it, it will take you straight to your Microsoft Word. Now this is where you will now edit your book to the paperback standard. Now once you come here, you cannot type in anything, you cannot do anything except you enable editing. So if you come in here, you will see enable editing. So this command is currently disabled. So you just click on it to enable editing. Then it will open it in a book form. You can see one, you can see they have given you sample on how to go about compiling your manuscript for the paperback. Okay, now what is the first thing we should do? The first page says our book title. So what is our book title? Now you head over to your Google form. If you are using phone, you can minimize. Once you get, you paste. If you are using laptop, it's still the same thing. Now we head over here. They ask us for our book title. So you copy this, then come here, highlight this. You highlight the book title, you highlight it, then you paste your book. So you can see unspoken vows. Then our book has subtitle. You can still come back to the Google form and select the subtitle. You copy the subtitle, Control C, then head over to your Microsoft Word, then input it there. So you can see it's too big, so you have to reduce it because it's a subtitle. So you may reduce it to around 20, or let's leave it at this. Okay, so this is what you should do. Now what is the next thing they say you should do is the author name. Author name. Then you head over. Okay, you don't need to copy, you should just put your name. Yes, not what you need to copy, just input your name here as the author. So okay, so you just input your name there. Now what's the next one? The second page is copyright. So you come here now, you still have to edit some things. Like I said, this is just a guide to guide you. So this is 2012, so we change it to 2013. Now this is another auto name, you still put your name again here. So put your name. then ISBN number. Now if you go back to our Kindle, you see here that place I say you should click, they will assign you a free ISBN number. So this is what you do. You come here and copy the ISBN number. You copy this, then head over to the Microsoft Word and paste this. This is your ISBN number. This is showing some error, so you need to correct it. Okay. Now, what is the next thing? The next thing is dedication. Now, you head over to your Google also, where you have edited your book. Then, here is our dedication. You need to do just to be finding anyone that asks you, you just copy it and paste there. So you copy your dedication and head over there. Then you highlight everything there. You can see everything, just insert dedication text. They are telling you to insert your dedication text. Then you insert it. So this is done. So what is the next one? The next one is our table of contents. So once you come here, highlight everything here, then backspace, click on backspace, then to remove all of them. Then you head over to your Google and get your own table of contents. Copy all of them, copy all of them. So you copy, then head over there and paste it. So this is our table of contents. You can still make this a little big, okay, something like this. You can still make it bold if you want. So it depends on you. Like I told you earlier, in this editing, that is where you just take your time. You don't rush editing. Now, what did they ask next? They ask for acknowledgement. Now, after our dedication, we get our acknowledgement. I know, just so you head over, you copy. So this is just all you need to do. Just, you have already done the job in your Google documents. The first time we rewrote our book, that is where we edited it. So you have done the major job there. So all you need to do is just to be copying and pasting. So the next one is chapter one. What is our chapter one? In this case, our chapter one here is not chapter one. It should be prologue. You can see prologue or introduction. This is a novel. They call it introduction or prologue. So we have to come to the prologue. You copy this, you copy, then head over to your Microsoft Word, then highlight this, then paste the prologue, give it some chance, then come back and copy the body of the prologue. So once you're done copying it, you head over, then select all these five from here to here. Just find it very well where it ends. You can see it still continue. So you don't need to extend it here, only here it's finished. Then you can now paste your prologue. So you can now see how they're arranging it for us like a book you normally read. So the next one is our chapter one. So this is where we copy our chapter one. We head over to chapter two. That should be our chapter one. You paste, then you head over back again, then copy everything in chapter one. Copy everything in chapter one. Then copy, then come here and paste. So be mindful of all this, know where it stops so that it will not enter another chapter. So this is what you do. You paste. So this is just what you'll be doing until you finish the chapters from A to Z. So another thing, why writing, why pasting, maybe you pasted and maybe this anything chapter should be in the next page. in the next page. So you just hit enter and take it to the next page. You can see it has entered the next page. So this is what you'll be doing. I may cut the video here because it will be too long. So we have to continue from when we are done copying and pasting our book. So just follow these procedures, then copy and paste your book in Microsoft Word. Amazon say you should do it. So like I said, once you follow their procedure, then your book will go. If you don't follow their procedure, you may be battling maybe to even publish a book. Maybe it will take you like 1 week. You are still in one book. Still, they will not answer you. After doing everything, they will tell you your book is not, you didn't meet up to their standard. So that is why you should take your time and edit your book. So I may be cutting the video here and continue from when we have edited from chapter 1 to chapter 10. Then after that, we can now upload our book to Amazon and put the price and publish. That is just the simple. You can see there is no much work in paperback. You have already done everything in your Kindle ebook. So see you in the next video.